Here's a step-by-step guide to install IPVanish VPN on your Firestick or Fire TV device. So first, return to home screen. Press the home button on your Firestick remote to go to the home screen. Select Find or the magnifying glass on the menu bar. And then use the directional pad on your remote to select the search box and search for IPVanish app. Type IPVanish using your Firestick remote, then select IPVanish from the list that appears. On the app screen, select the IPVanish app. Click the Get or Download button if you have downloaded the IPVanish app before. Once the app is downloaded, click the Open button to launch IPVanish. Now enter your IPVanish username and password, then click Login. From the home screen, click Connect. Click OK to authorize IPVanish to connect and reroute your internet traffic through their VPN server. This message is a standard warning for any Fire OS app taking over your internet connection. Once connected, a connected notification will appear in the top left of your screen, and the green button will turn into a disconnect button. To disconnect, simply click the green disconnect button.